how to find profiles and device management on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and join our community. Today we're diving into a quick tutorial on how to find profiles and device management on your iPhone. So let's get started. Grab your iPhone and open the settings app. And once you're there, go ahead and tap on General and then scroll down until you find VPN and device management. So tap on it. And here, if you are using a newer version of iOS, you'll see the VPN option at the top. So in the older software versions, you won't see the VPN, but you'll find your profiles and any configuration settings right there. So if you have an enterprise app, you can just tap on to access it. And then you'll also be able to sign in to your work or school account from here. And that's it. You've successfully located profiles and device management on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video, everyone.